Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 83. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we've been granted access to the new Industries building here on Alcatraz Island to take a look at one of the newest exhibits now open to the public. The new Industries building, standing on the northern end of the island, was one of the last major structures built during the federal penitentiary era. Completed in 1939, it replaced the smaller model industry workshop we saw earlier. The goal was to expand work opportunities for inmates and to move industrial activities farther away from the main cell house for security. Inside the building once housed several large workshops divided by wire mesh and concrete partitions. Inmates worked here producing clothing, gloves, furniture, and license plates, as well as performing laundry and maintenance service for the US military. The sound inside during those years would have been constant. Machines running, guards shouting orders, and hundreds of men working under strict supervision. The new Industries building was also the site of one of the most serious escape attempts in the prison's history. On May 2nd, 1946, 6 inmates overpowered guards and seized weapons, leading to what became known as the Battle of Alcatraz. The standoff lasted 2 days and ended with several deaths, including 2 guards. That event marked the beginning of the prison's long decline and contributed to the eventual closure in 1963. Today, the building has been stabilized and restored by the National Park Service. The new exhibit inside explores both the industrial work that took place here and the human stories behind it. Not only those of the inmates, but also the staff and the families who kept the prison running. The display uses original tools, photographs, and archival material to show how labor was used as a form of structure and discipline within the prison system. This new exhibit also highlights the broader context of incarceration in America, connecting the history of Alcatraz to modern discussions about rehabilitation, labor, and justice. Standing here surrounded by these preserved workplaces, it's striking how ordinary the setting feels: tables, benches, and machinery. Yet how extraordinary the lives once shaped within these walls were. That concludes today's episode. Our visit inside the New Industries building, exploring its newly opened exhibit and learning how this once restrictive workplace has been transformed into a place for understanding, reflection, and education.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.